Even the small things count, also if we talk about having a break.
Welcome to Vienna. Many people, they come home after work and they're so exhausted because maybe you haven't done the mini breaks. We talk about time and breaks. People think they need to do the big breaks, you know, and sabbatical or go to the museum. No, you can do the mini breaks. And the mini break is like 10 seconds. And where can you spend 10 seconds? With the Dyson dryer. Our nervous system has two systems, the fight or flight system and the rest and digest. Often we overload the fight or flight modus. To have a little balance, we need to wake up also this rest and digest system. And we can go like this all day long, rest and digest, fight or flight. To keep and stay healthy, we need breaks. Even if it's just a few mini breaks. A few mini breaks are better than nothing. Imagine you are doing those mini breaks during your day. Believe me, it's gonna help you. 10 mini breaks a day takes your tiredness away. Find your Dyson, find somewhere where you can go and you sit down 10 seconds or 30 seconds. You close your eyes and you count to 30. That's the second mini break. We have the Dyson break, 10 seconds, and the 30 seconds mini break. Close your eyes, count to 30. And those breaks will help you to feel a little bit more lively in the evening when you come home from work. Have fun.
They know how to do it. They take time. Nimm dir Zeit.
The wiener.
By the wiener, I mean the people from Vienna.